Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display current date and time in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So there are multiple ways to display time and date in Microsoft Excel. So first we are going to display current date in Microsoft Excel. Now select cell. On top you see formula bar. Click on it and then write equal and then write here today, then add bracket start, bracket close and then press enter. So this is the current date and then we are going to display current time in Microsoft Excel. Now select cell and then on top you see formula bar, so click on it. Now write equal and then write here now, start bracket, end bracket and then press enter, date and time. Now right click on it and then you see format cell, so click on it. Now you see custom, also you see time, you see different format. Now select time, now select and then click on OK. So this is the current time. So you can change format using format cell in Microsoft Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.